Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Commerce by Anup Sir. And today also we are continuing with our yesterday's topic, that is stress management. Yesterday we have discussed about what is stress, what is the effect of stress on the performance, and what are the various type of stress, and what can be the various reasons for the stress. In the remaining topic, we will discuss what are the consequences of the stress on the individual, on the family, on the society, as well as on organization. And in the next part, we will discuss how we can cope up with the stress, means how we can reduce the stress to the some extent या to the some level. पहला आता है कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, कि जब आप स्ट्रेस फील करते हो या जब आप स्ट्रेस्ड होते हो तो उसके क्या क्या आपके ऊपर इम्पैक्ट हो सकते हैं, क्या उसके जो है प्रभाव आपके ऊपर हो सकते हैं. कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ स्ट्रेस. द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ स्ट्रेस आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट, on the individual, means how the stress affects the particular individual he or she is feeling the stress. Second, on the family. Third, on the society. And fourth, on the organization. As we have discussed yesterday that we are the whole person. We come to the organization as a whole person, or society, our family, all come together. And if we are feeling the stress, my stress will affect whole, as my family too, the society too, and as well as the organization where I am working. First, individual पे क्या इफेक्ट आता है? साइकोलॉजिकल, फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड बिहेवियर. मीन्स आपकी फिजियोलॉजिकल, आपकी बॉडी में कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं, आपके बिहेवियर में कुछ चेंज होते हैं, आपके साइकोलॉजी में कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं. तो आप स्ट्रेस की वजह से ये चेंजेस जो है फील करते हैं. इन फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस यू फील स्ट्रेस, योर बॉडी फील स्ट्रेस्ड, ठीक है, यू फील टेंशन, यू फील discomfort in every situation. Anxiety, some kind of anxiety is felt by the individual, means he or she is not comfortable in situation, he is not able to do the particular job, and he or she is not able to behave in a particular manner. Depression, sometimes we feel cut off from all the situation, we want to avoid all the situation. These are the physiological changes. With these physiological changes, an individual also felt some psychological changes, like dissatisfaction. Means if you are feeling stress about something, you feel dissatisfaction from the jobs, your performance is reduced as compared to the earlier, and we have less control on our pace, means the speed of your work has been reduced. These are the psychological changes. And with this type of stress, there are some changes in our behavior also, means we can change our behavior according to the stress. Our behavior is changed according to the stress, means some people start overeating, some people start undereating, insomnia, loss of sleep, we can't sleep in a sound mood, and BP, blood pressure may be low or high to the some individual, and some people start smoke, drink, as abuse and drug abuse. They try to avoid the situation, and for avoiding the situation they use smoking, drinking, and a drug as well. So these are the behavior changes. If individual is feeling these kind of changes, obviously it will affect the family also. So in family, abuse, the child abuse, spouse abuse, and it may lead to the divorce in some cases, and it may lead to the indifferences among the families. Means झगड़े होते रहते हैं, बहस होती रहती है, हम किसी तरह की चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व नहीं होना चाहते, तो स्ट्रेस इफेक्ट द फैमिली आल्सो. नेक्स्ट, and if individual and family are the feeling the stress and the consequences of the stress, then obviously we are living in the society, then it will affect the society also. It may lead to the abuse, means the person starting indifferences with the others, he may indulge in the some kind of quarrels with the others, so abuse, crime, and social disturbances. It may cause social disturbances to the society, to the neighborhood, to the friend circle, and to the other club with them the individual is connected. And next, how stress affect the organization. If we are working in the organization, the performance can be reduced, absenteeism is increased of the employees, withdrawal, the person want to withdraw himself or herself from every situation, he don't want to connect with the organization, and aggressive behavior. They start showing aggressive behavior towards the superior, towards the colleagues as well as junior. So these are the consequences of stress. If the stress cross the optimum level, if the stress cross the optimum level, so it starts showing these consequences. And how to cope up with these consequences means how we can reduce these consequences of the stress. There are two methods to reduce these consequences: individual approach and organizational approach. Individual approach means the person who is feeling the stress should try to avoid the stress, should try to reduce the stress by the various methods. And organizational approach means most of the time we consider that the stress is because of the job, because of the organization. So organization should try some methods to reduce the stress. First we will discuss about the individual approach. Individual approach means knowledge of the stress. The one person should have knowledge about the stress. He or she should know that what can make stress to him or her and try to avoid that situation. And if we have proper knowledge about the stress, we will try to manage it out. Then psychological fitness. The fitness activities like running, jogging, walking, gymming, playing, and any type of these activity will keep you stress free. Means if your body is involved in the physical activities, your brain will also involve in these activities. And if your brain is involved in these activities, it will remove the stress. For some time we will remove the stress. तो साइकोलॉजिकल फिटनेस जरूरी है. साइकोलॉजिकल फिटनेस होगी तो आपकी बॉडी में साइकोलॉजिकल जो ये फिनोमिना दिख रहे थे या साइकोलॉजिकल जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस दिख रहे थे या फिजियोलॉजिकल जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस दिख रहे थे वो जो है कम हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्ट्रेस इज बिकॉज ऑफ time management. Every individual says that I have no time, I have no time. If you manage the time in the proper manage, your stress will be reduced. Assertiveness means we should have a confident behavior. We should have a confident or bold behavior. Means you should know how to say no. मीन्स नो कहना सीखो, ना कहना सीखो. ज़्यादातर हम लोग स्ट्रेस में क्यों रहते हैं कि हम किसी को ना नहीं कह पाते. तो उसको नो हाउ टू से नो, कि कैसे हमने उसको नो कहना है. वी आर नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर एवरी वर्क. हर चीज़ के लिए आप अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकते, तो आपको ना कहना आना चाहिए. अगर हम नो कहना सीख लेंगे तो हम बहुत सी एडवर्स सिचुएशन को वैसे ही अवॉइड कर लेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक्स. द वन शुड यूज सम रिलैक्सेशन टेक्निक्स like meditation, like music or any other activity which give you relaxation. Next is readjust a life goal. If you think that your goal are not according to your efforts or your efforts are not according to your goals, we can readjust them. And you should readjust them to reduce the stress. Next is plan. Plan properly means plan हम बहुत बार पढ़ चुके हैं. प्लान का मीन्स कि हम क्या करना चाहते हैं फ्यूचर में. तो आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं उसको प्रॉपरली प्लान कीजिए. अगर एक सही प्लान होगा तो आपको स्ट्रेस जो है नहीं होगा. तो दीज आर द इंडिविजुअल अप्रोच फॉर रिड्यूसिंग द स्ट्रेस एंड हाउ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन हेल्प यू टू रिड्यूस द स्ट्रेस. फर्स्ट इज सिलेक्शन एंड प्लेसमेंट. एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज not prone to the stress. Some people are more prone to the stress and some people are less prone to the stress. And when at the time of selection, the organization should know that who can face the stress, who cannot face the stress. All jobs are not stressful. Some jobs are more stressful than the others. So at the time of selection and placement, the organization should consider a right job for a right person so that stress can be reduced. Goal setting, the goal should be रीचेबल, द गोल शुड बी एडजस्टेबल, मीन्स हमें ऐसे गोल सेट नहीं करने चाहिए जो इंडिविजुअल पहुंच ना पाए, तो गोल शुड बी रीचेबल। ईजी गोल्स अगर हम सेट करेंगे तो स्ट्रेस जो है इंडिविजुअल के ऊपर या एम्प्लॉयज के ऊपर कम हो सकता है। इम्प्रूव्ड कम्युनिकेशन, sometimes the poor communication lead to the stress, means your goals, your roles and your duties are not properly communicated by the top management. If the proper communication is made, the stress can be reduced. Next, redesign job. If there are poor designing of the job, means duties, responsibilities and the job specifications are not matching properly, it can lead to the stress. So for reducing the stress, organization can redesign the job according to the requirement. Teamwork, don't give stress on the single person. If we work in the team, the stress will be reduced. So organization should promote teamwork. And participation, most important. Every time we talk about that, the employee satisfaction, job satisfaction is related to the participation. If individuals are involved in the participation related to the goal, participation related to the work, they will feel less stress and they will be more obliged towards their goals as they are involved in the participation. So this is what is stress and how we can manage stress. In the first part we have discussed consequences of the stress, and in second part we have discussed how to cope up with these stress. And this is all about stress. If you have any queries, any problems, you can write in the comment box. Please like and share our channel. Thank you.